It's going to be moving north, and it's going to move northeast with time, but at least right now it's beginning that move at 5 miles per hour slowly, but it is beginning that move. And actually the center is 70 miles south of Wilmington, North Carolina, and some coastal areas already experiencing tropical storm force winds.
Of course, heavy and prolonged rain going to be one effect from Ophelia. We're already seeing some heavy rain in other parts of the country too this morning.
Jen Carfagna here to look at that.
Now, this morning we have showers and storms moving through Chicago, and they're heading east. So Detroit, that's a place we need to watch today for the potential of thunderstorms, slow driving, and airport delays. Detroit and also down toward Little Rock, where even this morning you could be looking at storms. And of course we'll update the potential for flooding in the coastal Carolinas, northeastern, South Carolina, and coastal North Carolina as well. Let's head to the roads here in North Carolina, where folks were heading inland yesterday. Cape Hatteras, and a mandatory evacuation was issued for Hatteras Island. Locally, we could see 12 inches of rainfall in some cases here. We'll be looking for the potential of flooding anywhere from 3 to 3.5 inches in 1 hour could cause flash flooding in this region. So continuing to update you here, we're also going to watch travel across the rest of the country. One of the signs of a approaching hurricane is the beach surf.
That's right, Jen. Bigger waves. That's one of those first signs along Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. Of course, that's been ahead of Ophelia's approach, but parts of the Carolina coast are seeing others. Bands of wind and rain started late Tuesday. They continue this morning. Here in Myrtle Beach, we had 1.6 inches of rain yesterday. That was a record for the day. And we're going to see more of it. As Jen mentioned, in some localized areas, we could see 12 inches of rain. So we're going to expect flooding, not just coastal flooding, but also we're going to see heavy rain in some areas. As it's going to move very slowly up the coast. And you guys expect some power outages, too, especially here on the coast. Flooding, a potential. So if you're in a low-lying area, you need to think about seeking higher ground. There are the winds right now gusting around Wilmington and Myrtle Beach, 37 miles per hour. Hurricane warnings continue to be in effect up to Oregon Inlet, and then the watch is up to the Virginia border, which means we could start to feel those hurricane force conditions here in the watch area within the next 36 hours. And here is where the path is on this hurricane. Again, dealing with it at least through Thursday evening into Friday morning. So it's going to be with us for quite a while. And again, it will be a hurricane as it moves across North Carolina, eastern North Carolina. Impacts, of course, will be increasing this morning, and conditions will go downhill. Tornadoes, an isolated threat of that as well. It's going to peak here in northeastern North Carolina sometime early Thursday. Heavy rain, strong winds, of course, surge is a problem. Of course, waves maybe up to 22 feet out there, too. All right, severe weather, we have more of it here into parts of Oklahoma. We have that watch in effect till 10 o'clock. We had some warnings off to the west of Oklahoma City. You guys watch out. We could see winds up to 65 miles per hour, maybe dime-sized hail with these storms, and that'll be the case through the day today. Atlanta,
5 miles per hour, drawing ever